Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite, most important, and biggest obsessions, which is Facebook Messenger.
Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up.
If you guys have followed my podcast for a while, if you follow my content for a while, you know that this is an area that I have been paying a lot of attention to. This is not a new obsession. This is an obsession that has been going on for a while already, going on 2 years before anybody, even marketers, understood there was such a thing called messenger marketing. I was already pretty obsessed with it. My story begins with messenger marketing. I'll explain to you in a second what that is, in case that you have no idea what I'm talking about. My story with messenger begins back in September 2017, going on 2 years now, in which I ran into a video. I was looking for training, which again is like something that I'm always looking to learn. I definitely recommend that you guys are looking to always add knowledge to your mind that doesn't have an end to how much it can actually learn. So I kept on looking for information, ways to take advantage of new opportunities. And I found a video on YouTube about this platform called ManyChat. And I was blown away. I immediately recognized how it was an opportunity, something to take a look into, give it a look, because it felt like the world was going in that direction. At this point in 2017, there was a lot of people using already WhatsApp. There was a lot of people using Instagram direct messages, and Facebook Messenger had become a standalone app that people were now using to communicate with their friends and family aggressively. Because of that, I decided to pay attention. It's like if you go back throughout ages in time, the people that paid attention in the beginning of any opportunity, those are the ones that actually were able to capitalize the most on those opportunities. And that's the reality, right? So you want to be able to capitalize on those opportunities to be able to grow your business before it becomes too late. In reality, what I could tell you guys is that throughout ages, we've gone through this process, and it has repeated itself many, many, many times before. You had, television ads, 1940s. It became a big deal. People started capitalizing it. Then you had radio that has been going on for hundreds of years, right? And you had email marketing, and then you had YouTube in 2005, 2006 that it became a big deal. If we had time machines, which we don't, because it's only in science fiction at this point, probably going to be science fiction forever, right? Even though, just funny story, I'm a big believer in movies, outer space movies. I love this subject. I saw a movie, there's a movie that I can keep on watching over and over that talks about time warping and all those things, called Interstellar, Matthew McConaughey. Great movie. I don't think we're going to be able to get close to a black hole and go back in time like some of these guys are able to, right? Slow down time and things like that. But if we were able to do that, if science fiction was a reality, we would actually, a lot of us, grab a bunch of money and go back and put all our money on opportunities that have now gone and disappeared. For example, I can tell you that I myself would have probably stopped being lazy and gotten my dad earlier on the YouTube channel in 2007. We wouldn't have right now 1.5 million subscribers. We would have probably 10. That's the reality. There's a world of Latin American people, of 300 something million Latin American using YouTube. So it doesn't make sense why we only have 1.5. It's because we didn't start early enough. These opportunities have always happened. This is not something new of the world. This is not something that right now that I'm telling you that, oh my God, it's social media. It's about recognizing these opportunities and jumping and taking advantage of when it's being presented to you. So I realized that Messenger was one of those opportunities when immediately when I saw it, I recognized it as an opportunity, and I wanted to actually do something to be able to capitalize on it before it got too late. There's one marketer that most of you guys know that I've obviously followed his content. I met him personally, somebody that I really admire, Mr. 𝗟𝗢𝗟𝗏. He has a saying that goes like this: marketers ruin everything. And it's true, because when an opportunity is new, marketers pick it up and then they actually exploit it to the point that all marketers are in there, and now it becomes too expensive, too late, crowded. It's messed up. So messenger marketing still today seems to be that opportunity, which is still quite virgin, that people don't understand how to take advantage of it, how to get business from it, and how to be able to build a real community and grow your brand's assets. That's what it's all about. Any business, no matter what you are, whether you have an e-commerce business, you have a lead generation service that you need to generate leads. If you have a brick and mortar, no matter what your business is, you all need assets. If you don't have anything to sell to anybody, then you don't have a business. If you have products or services to sell, but then you don't have anybody to sell them to, then you also don't have a business. That's why the numbers don't lie. 95% of businesses don't last past 5 years. That's because they don't figure out that equation of being able to get enough attention to grow their business. And that's my obsession. My obsession is to help you and anybody that's interested understand these platforms so they don't let them escape. And a few years on the line, they have to close down their business because they are not able to generate enough attention to be able to sell products and services. And that's what it's all about.